Today is an account changing day. Does everybody understand what I'm telling you right now? I would need everybody to open your mics and say, yes, I understand. Open your freaking mics.
Yes, I understand.
Yes, I understand.
Yes, I understand.
Yes, coach.
Yes, I understand.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay, hopefully got comprende.
Yes, Babu.
Every time I say it, somebody like, oh, I didn't get into anything today, coach. What I cannot stress this enough. It doesn't mean it's going to run up. I'm not saying account changer to the upside. What I'm saying, though, is we're going to get a lot of volume in here today. It's Tuesday. PPI is done. Nobody's panicking today, right? We're going to get a lot of volume in the market today. I can already see MSTR is up 4.5% in the pre-market this morning. Remember, everybody, what did I say? I said, watch crypto today. That was at 8 o'clock this morning. I said, you better be watching crypto. It was a 2.5% this morning when I said it. You guys remember? It's at 4.5% now. I want you guys to pay attention to the market today. Again, don't have a bias. I don't care what you come in with. Oh, I think it's going to go up. I think it's going to go down. You don't care. Some of the things you're going to do on your screen right now. You're going to mark pre-market high. You're going to mark pre-market low. You're going to mark previous day high. You're going to make mark previous day low. That is the first thing you do every single day with all of your charts. Make sure you color code them the way that I always show you. ES futures and SPY on this double bottom, which is around 583. There goes your MSTR double top pullback. There's your double top pullback on MSTR. It just touched the 21 and bounced. Did everybody see that? MSTR heavy here. Breaks that 21. You guys can short that for a bit. Just remember to be careful going against the grain. Tight stops. Very tight, scalpers. Nobody get chopped up. Listen, the market's been open 3.5 minutes. Okay? Calm down. You'll be all right. Chill out. Now, if SPY is bouncing, let's take a look at crypto. Crypto, look at double bottom bounce on MSTR. Everybody see it? So if I was trading MSTR, you guys can see this bounce area right here. Isn't it exactly where SPY just bounced? Look at it. Everybody see it? Here, let me put it on the big screen for you.
Yes.
There it is. Look, here and here. Isn't this a double bottom bounce?
I grabbed ride shares right there.
Oh, it's beautiful. I mean, this is, come on, guys. What are my two favorite trades in the business? Tell me.
Double top, double bottom.
There it is. I love it. It's the A+ setups. You know, if you guys are literally waiting, and I've got videos on that, A+ setup, go look at it. But again, if you guys are waiting for a great setups, those would be my two favorite, double top or double bottom. Absolutely love it.